Today, we're talking about a topic most men ignore. 5 daily habits that secretly damage your penis health. If you care about energy, performance, and confidence, you need to stop doing these things immediately. Let's get started. Habit number 1: skipping breakfast or eating junk food. Your body needs proper nutrition in the morning to maintain healthy hormone levels and blood circulation. When you start your day with sugar or caffeine alone, your testosterone and blood flow both take a hit. Habit number 2: sitting too long. If you spend hours on your chair or couch, you're reducing blood flow to your pelvic area. Poor circulation can lead to numbness, weaker performance, and long-term issues. Get up every hour, stretch, and walk. It makes a big difference. Habit number 3: smoking and drinking too much. These destroy your blood vessels and lower nitric oxide, the chemical responsible for strong blood flow. Over time, this damages your overall sexual health. The solution is simple: cut back or quit. Habit number 4: not sleeping enough and staying stressed. Your body produces testosterone during deep sleep. Less sleep equals less testosterone. And stress releases cortisol, a hormone that blocks testosterone. Try meditation, deep breathing, or a consistent bedtime routine. Habit number 5: not getting sunlight and skipping exercise. Sunlight gives you vitamin D, which boosts testosterone and mood. Regular workouts improve blood flow and confidence. So get outside, move your body, and your health will thank you. So guys, if you want better performance and energy, fix these 5 habits today. Small changes can completely transform your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Stay strong, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.